some white stuff here. So what we'll do now, before we lose this hair, I'm going to show you what to do before you start taking out this hair.
Every shadow turns to light. Little crown stars are my way.
Because of the rubber band I used to make my daughter's hair, see? So now, this is what you do. See? You now leave some white stuff here. So what we'll do now, before we lose this hair, I'm going to show you what to do before you start taking out this hair. So only one thing you just need to do. Here is my olive oil. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and we're in -3 here, -3. So this is the oil. So now what I'm going to do is to put the oil here. Like I always say in my video, don't pity product when you want to take care of hair, because you can buy products, but hair you can't buy it. So put it like so. See the way I'm doing it now. So just like so. You see that way it is now, like this, like this. This is how we want to do it before. So the reason why we do this, is because if you don't do it here, see now that it has loosened up. You see that? Let me erase it. You see the way it is now. You can even see press the oil out. Super. Sorry. So now we're gonna have to start taking out the hair. So we have two choices. Either we use this comb. See how free it is with the comb right now. You see that? Or this one, or this one. Come on, I use that one already. You can even use here first. If you don't have maybe that kind of comb, hold it. So just go ahead and twist. So this way, the oil you apply will have chance to work on the hair very well. So I'm going to do it.
They said the road would break me down, but I paint gold on every frown. The world's my stage, I own this town. Watch me soar, no chains can hold. Every breath is laced with gold. Little crown stars, I pull my way. Every step a day.
Up. The other one again. As you're taking it down, be pulling the two up. It will be going just like so. You see that? Like so. See? Yeah, I love most time because I like it. Especially the way you dance and twist your waist. Remember the way you dance and track your waist now? That's very little. Remember the way you dance and track your waist? To bend it one side. Now sing.
Every step I dance, every word I play. Little crown stops my close the day. I shine my
I know because I'm still hearing it. You see? Are you not hearing the still arguing?
Oh yeah, I hear them stressing just now.
I'm going to lose the hair before I wash it. So when I wash the hair like this with shampoo, then I'm going to condition the hair after the other, and I'm going to comb it and retwist it like this again. Then when the hair is dry, I will now apply oil, conditioner, and retwist it like this again. You see? So this is how I do it. Can you see that? So when I wash the hair now, I'm going to start losing it one after the other, retwist it. See?
She said something not good for the eyes.
So in case you don't know this, you have to know this now. So this is when you apply hair mask. Now is when you apply hair mask if you want to. Bless you, mommy. If you want to apply hair mask, apply it, comb it, twist it. Apply it, comb it, twist it. Along with the oil that I've already used to lose the hair. Okay? But today we are not going to be doing hair mask. We're just going to be doing only this. So thank you so much and bye. I hope you learned from this video. Bye.